another video.
Y'all don't even know what we just went through. I think she's gonna snap it out. She's gonna snip that out of there and show y'all what we just went through just now.
We did just go through a whole lot, but
the camera running for like 5 minutes.
yeah. How
How y'all day doing?
Yeah, how y'all doing?
How y'all day doing?
How y'all doing?
You're absolutely right. How y'all
right.
day going?
So today we have king crab.
Look at my collar, y'all. That's what we was just talking about. Dang, look at my shirt.
King crab, jumbo shrimp, ramen noodles, and fried eggs. And we got our little leftover seafood from the seafood bowl on here. So yeah. Guess what, y'all?
Show me cheese. Just show me
Babe
cheese.
made me a cheese sauce. Look at this cheese sauce, y'all.
Yeah. Oh my God. No, that's not store bought.
But we're about to get it in.
Come on, we got some chopsticks too.
Oh, so the ramen noodles that we're eating are the ones that Q said they're so good. Try them. So we're about to try them today.
And she done got these chopsticks.
Yeah, so I went and got some
How do you
chopsticks.
use them, baby?
I don't know, babe. I don't know. I just squeeze them together. So let's try these noodles. Y'all know I love me some noodles. I'm gonna wrap my noodles.
Yep.
They're good.
That ain't bad. Sister-in-law told me that it was better than beef noodles.
I'm gonna get the little king crab, y'all. Dang, babe, we ain't got no.
Y'all know what?
Nothing to put on the table for the king.
Baby, I got something under here. Bye, y'all see how I just pop up with it stuff? I got scissors too, baby. You just give me scissors.
I know, but I'm gonna for the table and the juices. Ow, ow, poke myself. Anyway, how y'all doing, y'all? How y'all doing, y'all?
This thing peeing and stuff. A little bit of pee. Just a little bit.
How are y'all today? Ooh. We are doing terrific.
Juicy. Let me see that.
These are sharper than usual. I just poked myself like 3 times.
Man, y'all, today, y'all. Oh, man. Today,
I'm sorry. That really went over there.
we've been through a whole lot. We ain't even got no butter sauce right now. That's how serious it is, man.
Yeah, we don't.
Listen.
I'm about to try it in this cheese sauce.
Shoot, me too.
Oh, snap. Wait.
Listen. It broke off, sorry. Listen. Today was that's cheese, huh?
I tried it.
That's good cheese right there. Yo, the Thai blue on the car.
Right. On the highway.
On the highway. Got the gun. Bottom of the tire. It was like done. Like, I think I need a new rim. I think I need a new rim on the car.
And what? Rim? Excuse me.
Right.
We was going to use that.
I think I need a new rim. Like that. My bad, I'm just passing over the joint. But boy, get that cheese sauce on that. So I'm with this here for.
I won't put on my egg, but
This is my cheese sauce right here. Y'all let me know if y'all want this recipe.
yeah, that cheese sauce is good, y'all.
Y'all let me know if y'all want that recipe. It's not store bought. This is made cheese sauce. Look. Good. That's too much for you. That's too much.
Yeah, the tire blew on the car, y'all.
Too much. I don't get y'all that much.
While we was on the highway. About to go get the kids from school.
Right, come back from getting these noodles. These noodles right here. Thai blue.
Yep. But me, y'all, from my past experience, excuse me, baby. From my past experience, I'm kind of used to the tire blue. Like every car, my tire probably blue every other day, which is horrible, but it's true.
I ain't used to it. I know how to handle the occasion. This time we weren't prepared. It was like, wow, though. Like, I left the thing up, man. See, check, we had the spare in there. That was in the other car.
Right, because we got the same minivan we had before.
Just a newer year.
Right. And set my king crab right there. I was like, oh, how was the other van?
Right.
There's no spare in here. Yeah, so
I know I had mine.
we had to all the way to the tire shop.
Took us about 20 minutes.
Definitely did.
And it was up the street.
Literally. I think we went like 10 miles the whole time.
I don't even think I was doing 10 miles. I don't even think I was doing 10 miles, y'all. I ain't fronting. I think I was doing less than that. Like, y'all, it was just a long day. I was hot. We got AC in the car. You know, we got air conditioning. Stop it. If you ain't got air conditioning, I can fix that. But you know.
These noodles are good.
So I know what? We had AC in the car and I was still hot because I was like going through it like, how I not remember to get a spare tire? On my fault, I felt like I let myself down. I let the family down with that one.
I was fine.
We could have been everywhere. We could have been anywhere because you know I take it anywhere.
I'm using my fork because
I can't use no.
what?
I can't use no chopsticks.
Oh, I'm using my fork because I'm so hungry and chopsticks take a little patience. And I ain't got it right now. I'm hungry.
Man, I felt like I let the family down.
I don't know why. We were perfectly fine, baby.
We was, but we could have been anywhere. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And it happened. He's supposed to be prepared for everything. And normally I am.
I'm gonna put cheese on these eggs.
I got caught lacking, y'all.
He's being hard on himself. We were fine.
Yeah, it was.
Ooh, how was y'all day? Did y'all tire blow out?
No.
Ooh, these, look at this cheese.
Oh man, I got this one.
Last time we had noodles out. Ooh, you got the big old piece.
You know I'm gonna break that. Okay, noodles. Ain't put no cheese on it. Put it on here. Y'all shout out Nene, y'all. I'm telling y'all. She like everything spicy. Got some soda. It's the soda I ain't never tried before. Well, I tried this one the other day. Ooh, I can hear that.
Hello to our new subscribers.
All right, shout out to the new subscribers. Thank you for joining us.
That was Will ASMR session. If you're new to this channel,
Jaleel,
we have a minute or two.
Jaleel.
We have a minute or two for Will and his ASMR needs. Those noodles are good.
Jaleel, you got to do this. He did Hardy's day.
I know. Ooh, excuse me. That's good. Ooh.
This thing feeling me up.
Y'all like ramen? I love ramen.
What that?
Noodles, period, babe. You know I like noodles.
I know. Dipping in the cheese. I ain't even get no cheese.
These are a little spicy. Just a little bit.
Because when you open it, they got like 4 or 5 packs in there. Like,
got onion, seasoning. Then they got this liquid sauce seasoning. Then they got like an oil and a chili something. That shit ate there. I'm gonna eat this piece.
and they little packs too. There's 3 packs right here, by the way, y'all. It's they little though, like they real little.
Yeah.
Like. I ate little. Yo, we got this blue crab out. I ain't even ready to eat it.
I know.
I'm full. I ain't even front with y'all. I've been waiting on this food.
I'm hungry. I ate once today. Nene ate a wet burrito, so I had to go get a burrito from Taco Bell.
Like, stop me in my travels for a burrito.
I did. We was watching a video on our way to go get the noodles, and I said, we gotta stop this Taco Bell right here.
I wasn't ready to stop for it, Nene. You know, I'm rocking. I know how I'm rocking. It's like king right here, don't know about a king.
She tore that burrito down.
Like, yeah, she like everything spicy. Like, y'all better go watch Nene 2 Times Spicy channel. It's old, but you know.
If y'all wonder who we talking, her name is Nene Eats.
Like, check out.
Yeah.
Cuzzo. Oh man. Oh. What can you say about your favorite Cuzzo?
She's so humble.
So humble.
She posted today and said, how can I show y'all that I appreciate y'all? I said, that is the sweetest day ever. Ooh. This is good, y'all. Y'all should get these ramen noodles. And they weren't that high.
It was $2.
Like, yeah, 5 packs for $2.
Right.
Very affordable.
No, but
Sure knew it was affordable. You know, my girl get out the mud. Oh, excuse me. My king crab.
I get that burp out.
No, I can't.
Yeah.
I'm taking these.
Somebody told us to stop covering our mouth, but it'd be like a force. It'd be like a
It's
habit. It's like, you know, you don't want to just be it. Sometimes you let it come out like that. When it's not expected, you be like, hold on there, hold up. My mama told me, cover your mouth.
I'm gonna give us an extra. Sorry.
MNH Mukbang just dropped the new video. Give me this king crab before I get mad.
Give me these noodles off your fork. I just took his noodles.
Oh, my noodles off my fork.
All right, here. Dang. There you go.
That's petty.
You said that's perfect.
That's petty.
That ain't petty.
So,
I told you I wanted mostly ramen. I said make more.
Put the cheese on king.
I'm
And that
full.
is off this thing.
With the cheese with the king crab. That cheese sauce is good.
I know, baby. My secret ingredient.
I'm judging
Big
y'all.
toe.
I'm
It's like,
hungry.
nah. My secret ingredient, big toe.
That's my dinner. That was delicious. I know y'all be like, oh, Jay, don't play. I definitely don't when it comes to my food.
Yo, y'all ain't seen, we did that video. What the video called, bro?
What video, babe?
Somebody decide what you gonna eat.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready to do that again.
Excuse me.
I almost did today. But this time, I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna say, get the person in the back of me the same thing that I just got.
Can you imagine that you get in line like, somebody pay for your order, but it's what they ordered for you. I'd be substituting all types of stuff. That was delicious, and I'm full. Did you eat any shrimp?
Nope. King Crab did it for me. Y'all.
Yeah, that king crab is filling.
Y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone, y'all, because this was a good ad. This was a good almost that's just now. Y'all caught a bit of slip. She ain't gonna edit none of that out. It's just gonna be real raw like y'all like it. But listen, y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone. Excuse me.
I tried to work my chopsticks.
So then, we'll see y'all again. So long, farewell to you, my friend. Until we meet again, I said, oh, long, farewell to you, my friend.
My stomach hurt.
It's been great
I ate too much.
singing this together inside of the box.
Oh, I ate too fast.
All right, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone. Peace.